So I guess I gotta stay alone. Oh, I hope someday I'll make it out of here, even if it takes all night. I can't fight my fear. Who's gonna love me? Hide me 'cause my memory's stone. Tell me to please you, skin and bone. Welcome home. Welcome home.
Niluhod nating dalawa, di ba? Ipinagpanata natin. At finally, ito na. No? Natapos na. Wala nang atrasan.
You bring an energy I've never felt before. Some kind of chemical that reaches through my core. Feels like as far as you and me, I've never had a choice. You feel like home.
Kamu na tayo kaintan.
You're like the opposite of all of my mistakes. Tear down the biggest walls and put me in my place. I know that kind of comfortable you cannot replicate. You feel like home. So if you're asking me, so how do you know? I don't just feel it in my heart. Don't just feel it in my heart. No, I feel it in my bones. I feel it in my bones.
Congratulations and welcome to Married Life. Always be careful and be happy.
Oh, English.
English yun, yeah?
My bones.
Yeah, surprise na lang si Mother man na nag-sponsor.
Wow, welcome, welcome.
Yeah, and I know, and it cuts deep down through your chest and through your soul. That's how you know. That's how I know.
Sabi sa PBB.
I feel it in my bones. I feel it in my bones. I feel it in my bones.
Wala ka na, may po.
Oh, that's how you know. That's how I know. I feel it in my bones. Tell me
Pinaka-best day of my life. Nangyari na.
I'll be yours complete.
Papasalamat ako sa Panginoong Diyos kasi para sa akin, ikaw yung biyaya
Have
talaga.
our disagreements, be fighting for no reason. I wouldn't change it for the world.
Dapat nating alalahanin kung gayon na ang pag-aasawa ay itinatag ng Diyos para sa kapakinabangan at kaligayahan ng mga taong kanyang nilalang.
And I still remember feeling nervous, trying to find the words to get you here today. You make my heart feel
Una,
like
siyempre,
it's
nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos. Kasi binigay ka niya sa akin.
Salamat kasi sa matagal na panahon na magkakilala tayo at nagsama tayo, never mo akong binigyan ng sakit ng ulo. Hindi ako natakot kasi hindi ka nagbigay sa akin ng sama ng loob.
you are the one. That's how I know you are the one. It's easy to be scared of. With you I am prepared for what is yet to come. 'Cause our two hearts will make it.
Nagsimula sa pagkakaibigan, matalik na kaibigan. Tapos, siyempre, pinagpanata ko, inilugod ko yun.
You make my heart feel like it's summer when the rain is pouring down.
Mahabang panahon, matagal, pero hindi naman tayo nainip. Hinihintay natin yung perfectong panahon ng Diyos eh.
When it's wrong, that's how I know.
At iyong iibigin ang Panginoon mong Diyos ng iyong buong puso at ng iyong buong kaluluwa at ng iyong buong lakas. Ito rin ang ipamumulat ninyo sa inyong magiging mga anak sapagkat ito ang sinasabi ng kautusan.
Thank you po.
Naway sa paglusong mo sa buhay may asawa, maging maligaya ka at maging payapa.
Mahalin kita ng buong puso. Siyempre, mahal ko yung sarili ko. Kabiyak na kita, so mahalin kita. Yung unconditional love.
Tagan sa mayong panlawas sa katang Ginoo.
Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Sana bigyan niyo ako maraming apo.
You make my heart feel like it's summer when the rain is pouring.
Hindi naman mahirap, pero malalayo ako sa magulang ko. Malalayo tayo sa mga magulang natin. Pero, ayun, kung ito talaga yung kaloob niya para sa akin. So,
You are the one. That's how I know you are the one.
Pipiliin kita. Sabi nga ni Ben and Ben,
ano?
pipiliin kita araw-araw.
Yay!
You fall in love, and you fall in love with a home you'll never see.
Ayaw pasilip sa akin eh.
Congratulations and best wishes to the newlyweds! Congratulations to the newlyweds!
Keep the memory of the
Pangako ko sa'yo, alam mo naman na I will die for you. Kabiyak na kita eh, siyempre.
Ano? Sino mo nitself?
holding tight till the floor is choking. Clench your fists and drop to your knees.
Hindi ko makonstruct ah.
In love, you fall in love.
Ayaw pasilip sa akin eh.
You fall in love with a home you'll never see. Oh, you fall in love. You fall in love.
Thank you!
You fall in love
Subalit sa ibabaw ng lahat ng ito, kapatid na Kit at Natalie, pananagutan ninyong mag-asawa na umibig sa Diyos. Natamuhin nawa ninyong dalawa ang masaganang pagpapala ng Diyos.
Take me home. Come take me